Open your door full swing. Using a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool, remove the cover behind the door handle. Starting from the bottom of the large door handle, pry away the cover. Don't be afraid to use some force. Remove 3 Phillips head screws from behind the top handle, large handle, and inside the cup holder. Starting from the bottom of the door, pry the door card away from the door. Lift up to remove. Unclip the 2 plugs and pry off the door handle assembly from behind the door card. You can access the speakers and door handles by removing the black cover with the 10mm bolts.